for the three questions, they are all the same, right? We can just use the formula and replace the places of the x value and y value by the two coordinations and work out them. So let's look at the first one. The first one, what can you get from the graph here? Like you can see that I have labeled 2 points for you, this point and this point. And you can see that this point is 1 comma 0 and this point is 4 comma negative 3. So therefore we can get the information of the two coordinations, and there we can work the two equations. They are, the first one is y equals to no, not y. The first one, if it's this one, is 0. 0 equals to we don't know what k is, so we just use k minus divided by 1. It's just k. And what in this plus, right? Plus b. And another one is 4 comma negative 3, so it's negative 3 equals to k divided by 4 and plus b. Yes, it's b. And therefore if we move the divided 4 into here, and it will become negative 12, and here it will become 4b, right? And minus the first equation by the second equation, and you can get what? You can get negative 12 equals to 3b, and therefore 1b is negative 4, right? Okay, if 1b is negative 4, and we just said that 0 equals to k plus b, so therefore if this is negative 4, what case? K is 4, right? Alright, and so the first equation is y equals to 4 divided by x and minus 4. This is the equation. Okay, and shoot. And for the second one, these two, right? I don't know. Not these two. It's another. It's these two. The second one is these two, and we just a little zooming it, and this clicking. Okay, and here I have shown you another two intersections, right? And here I want to say that although I always give you the intersections or the coordination that always in one side of the graph, both in one side of the graph, you can also pick the coordinations that are in the different lines. For example, I pick one from this line, like I pick this one is negative 10 and 3. And what about this? This is 10, 10, 1. And if I use 10, 1, and if I use these two coordinations, they can also work out the equation. It's the same because these two lines all represent the same equation, but just in different value of the x, right? Okay, then therefore this one is negative 10 comma 3, this one is negative 5 comma 4. And if you don't believe with the two coordinations, I can just show you after I have worked out. For the first one is, what is this? Negative 10 3, so it's 3 equals to what? 3 equals to k divided by negative 10 and plus b. Oops, plus b. All right, and if we move this one to the left side and the right side, it will become negative 13 and minus 10b. Okay, and the second one is, what is this? It's negative 5 comma 4, so it's 4 equals to k divided by negative 5 and plus b. And now we can also move this negative 5, right? Negative 5, so it's negative 20, and this is negative 5 is here. and therefore just minus them. Shoosh. Use this one, maybe use this one, and to minus this one, then you can get what? You can get a negative 10 equals to no k, and this one, yeah. So therefore, what is b? Because I use the equation above minus the equation below, so I can get negative 10 equals to negative 5b. So b is negative 2. If b is negative 2, right? B is negative 2, and we just said that this one is negative 2, so we just replace it, and it will be multiply 2, and this will be plus, and therefore this is 20. So what is k? Oh wait, so what is k? It's negative 10, right? So therefore the equation is what? Yeah, therefore the equation is this one, right? And for the third one is also the same way, because what? Because if we use another 2 point like these 2 point, one is 5 negative 4, another is 1 comma negative 8, they can also work it out. And I won't tell you, I want to explain it one more time. I just give you the answer here. This is the question answer of the third question. And wait, and this is the of the second one. And if you don't believe me, and then maybe because what? Because like for this one, we got a 5,0, right? 5,0, and here we can got negative 10,3, 5,0, and a negative 10,3. So it's what? You can get the two equation. 0 equals to k divided by 5 and plus b, and you can get 5b, and here just k. And another one is what is negative 10 comma negative 10 comma 3, negative 10 comma 3, so it's 3 equals to k divided by negative 3 or negative 10, right? Negative 10 and the plus b, right? And replace it here, it's negative 10, replace it here, it's negative 13, and you can get what? Use the equation above minus the equation below, and you can get that 13 equals to, know this one, 15b. So 1b is what? 1b is 2, right? 1b is 2. And if we just go forward, b is 2, right? B is 2, and maybe we use this one. B is 2, and this is 10, right? Because 2 multiply 5 is 10, and therefore it will become a 0. So this is negative 10. You got it? Okay, and that's all about it. Thank you.